How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device and search for discord.com. After that, press enter on your keyboard and you will land on the official interface of Discord. Now click open Discord at top right. And then make sure that you logged into your account using your login credentials on Discord. Click on user setting icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Now scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Under activity settings, click on account privacy or simply activity privacy. And now you need to scroll down. Make sure that you turn on the button for allow friends to join your game. Also, scroll to the bottom or top of your screen and click content and social. Now here you will see content. You need to simply allow DM from others. Click on this drop down arrow and then you need to click on show button. Once done, you need to allow DM from friends as well and click on the arrow. And here you need to click on show, and once you have done that, you will successfully turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.